Hello and welcome back to Painting with Petey. This week we're going to be doing a cute little Sunday drive Easter painting, a little bit different than a normal Easter painting. So no bunnies or anything, just a nice quiet moment on a hill. So somewhere over here in this corner, you're going to see a sped up version of this painting. I am using a 16 by 20 inch canvas. We're going to have a list of supplies for you to kind of take a look at for what you need for later this week. But don't be afraid to pick and choose what you need for this painting. We want to encourage you to go off the beaten path in terms of colors and just the journey we're going to go on. So grab your positivity, grab your supplies, and I'm going to see you here later this week.